What if you could grow your wealth without picking individual stocks and still beat most investors? As 2025 unfolds, more and more people are turning to ETFs, exchange-traded funds, to build powerful, low-cost portfolios. But with thousands of ETFs out there, which ones are truly worth your money this year? In this video, we're breaking down the top ETFs for 2025 based on performance, fees, future trends, and expert insights. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these ETFs can help you diversify, grow your portfolio, and prepare for whatever the markets throw at us this year. Let's get started. 1. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, the classic powerhouse. If you're looking for reliable, broad market exposure, VOO remains a gold standard. It tracks the S&P 500 of America's biggest companies, and has outperformed most active fund managers over the long term. With a tiny expense ratio of just 0.03%, you're keeping more of your gains. And in a year where tech and consumer discretionary sectors are expected to keep leading, VOO offers a balanced, efficient way to gain exposure without over-concentrating risk. It's perfect for long-term investors who want growth without complexity. 2. iShares MSCI ACWI ETF, ACWI, Global Diversification. Want exposure to the entire world? ACWI gives you just that, covering both U.S. and international stocks, including emerging markets. With rising interest in global recovery and de-risking from a purely U.S.-based strategy, ACWI offers a simple one-stop shop for diversified global equity exposure, especially in 2025 as AI and energy innovation spreads globally. This ETF puts you in a position to capture upside from companies you might otherwise overlook. 3. QQQM, the smarter tech play. Yes, tech is still king, but QQQM might be the smarter way to play it in 2025. It mirrors the NASDAQ 100 index like its older cousin QQQ, but with lower fees, 0.15% versus 0.2%, and better tax efficiency. In a year when AI, cloud computing, and semiconductor companies are expected to outperform, QQQM provides targeted exposure to the biggest innovators like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Apple, without the burden of active stock picking. If you believe the innovation cycle is just beginning, QQQM should be on your radar. 4. SCHD, Dividend Growth with Stability. If you're looking for income and growth, look no further than SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. It focuses on companies with strong balance sheets and consistent dividend increases. With a current yield around 3.5%, low volatility, and exposure to financially solid firms like PepsiCo, Verizon, and Home Depot, SCHD is ideal for investors who want to weather volatility while generating cash flow. Especially in a higher rate environment, dividend-paying companies are regaining their appeal, and SCHD gives you that edge. 5. iShares U.S. Clean Energy ETF, ICLN, the green bet. 2025 may be a breakout year for clean energy. With the Inflation Reduction Act, global policy shifts, and increasing EV and solar adoption, clean energy ETFs are gaining real traction. ICLN offers exposure to companies like Enphase Energy, First Solar, and Plug Power, all positioned for long-term structural growth. While it's more volatile than other ETFs on this list, it's a thematic play for those who believe in a green-powered future. Diversify your portfolio with a small allocation here and ride the momentum. 6. Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VOO, a REIT revival. After struggling in 2022 to 2023, REITs are making a quiet comeback. VOO, the Vanguard Real Estate ETF, holds commercial, industrial, and residential real estate investment trusts. And with interest rates expected to stabilize or even fall in 2025, many investors are returning to REITs for income and diversification. Real estate has always been a hedge against inflation, and VOO offers a convenient, diversified way to access that asset class without buying property directly. 7. Bonus ETF, JEPI, Defensive Yield Strategy. Last but not least, for those who crave monthly income and downside protection, JEPI, JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, is a defensive gem. It uses covered calls and a portfolio of low volatility stocks to generate consistent monthly income, with yields currently hovering around 7 to 9%. While it may not have massive upside like QQQM, it provides a smooth ride with cash flow, perfect for retirees or conservative investors who still want equity exposure without daily drama. So, what's the best ETF for 2025? Truthfully, there isn't just one. It depends on your goals, whether it's growth, income, or diversification. A smart strategy might look like this: VOO plus QQQM plus SCHD for a balanced US core, ACWI for global exposure, and JEPI or ICLN for tactical tilts. The best part? You can automate your entire investing process with just a handful of ETFs. No stress, no hype, just compounding over time. Don't chase trends, build wealth like the pros. Diversified, low fee, and consistent. If you found value in this, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to take control of your finances. Let me know in the comments. What's one small change you made that saved you the most money? We're building a smart money community here, and your tip could help someone else. Thanks for watching, and until next time, spend smart, live rich.